A quiet start to Atlantic hurricane season, and that has changed very, very quickly. We're moving into the peak of the season, normally right around September, and now we're seeing several waves continuing to develop off the coast of Africa and strengthen as they are moving over a very conducive Atlantic basin. Now, Florence just upgraded to a Category 1 hurricane with sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. Isaac and Helena, right behind, likely to become hurricanes as well. Now, Florence does pose a big concern for the U.S. as it is expected to wrap in very quickly over the next 12 to 36 hours, becoming a major hurricane that's a Category 3 or above sometime on Monday. So as it moves slowly to the west at about 6 miles per hour, it is in a favorable environment to continue to strengthen and further organize. Now, between Bermuda and the Bahamas, already swells from this storm impacting those areas, and it's not long until we'll feel those impacts here across the U.S. So Florence is definitely a storm system we will monitor here over the course of the next several days, likely to be making impacts across the U.S. by the end of the week. So strengthening. Tropical storm force winds expand 115 miles now from the center of that storm, likely to be a major hurricane sometime on Monday. Now, North and South Carolina already under a state of emergency in preparation for Florence. So as I mentioned, swells going to be a big concern, dangerous rip currents even before we feel any impacts from the system. If you don't have your hurricane plan in place yet, now is definitely the time. Want everyone to stay prepared and stay weather aware.